In this video, you'll learn how to create a Google Ads Manager account in just a few minutes, so you can manage multiple Google Ads accounts from one centralized dashboard with ease. First, open your browser and go to ads.google.com/manager. Click the Create Manager Account button on the homepage. This will start the setup process for your Google Ads Manager account, also known as MCC. Next, sign in with your Google account or create a new one specifically for managing client campaigns. Using a dedicated email is a smart choice if you're planning to manage ads for multiple clients or businesses. Now, fill in your manager account details. Enter your account name. Choose how you'll use the account to manage your own accounts or other people's accounts, and select your country and time zone for billing. After that, configure your billing settings. Choose the currency and time zone carefully, since these can't be changed later. These settings will apply to your manager account, but each linked account can have its own billing. Once everything is set, click Submit to create your manager account. From your new dashboard, you can link existing Google Ads accounts, create new ones, and manage all of them from one centralized place. And that's it. Your Google Ads Manager account is now ready, and you can manage multiple campaigns like a true professional.